economy.com to take advantage of our introductory pricing of $199. I can't think of a technology that has generated as much discussion and debate as artificial intelligence. Every day in my ongoing conversations with business leaders and technology providers, the topic of artificial intelligence comes up. And the question I get most often from business leaders is how they should approach AI for their business. With that in mind, here is a 6-point framework to help you understand and integrate artificial intelligence into your business. Number one, educate yourself. As a CEO, you don't need to know every technical detail about AI, but you should have a high-level understanding of what it is, its capabilities, and its limitations. This understanding will enable you to make informed decisions about AI's potential role in your business. Engage in seminars, workshops, and conferences focused on AI in a business context. To this point, Acceleration Economy can serve as a tremendous resource to help you understand AI and how it can be applied in your business. Number two, define your strategic goals. Identify how AI can align with your business strategy. AI can be used to automate routine tasks, derive insights from data, improve customer experiences, reduce costs, and create new products or services. It is important to have a clear sense of your strategic goals and how AI can help achieve them. Number three, assess your current state. Evaluate your organization's current capabilities, including data infrastructure, technological readiness, skills, and culture. This assessment will help identify gaps that need to be addressed in order to successfully adopt and integrate AI. Number four, experiment and prototype. Before committing to a large-scale implementation, identify an opportunity and start with a pilot project. This allows you to test the viability of AI solutions, learn from the outcomes, and adjust your approach as necessary. It is a safe environment to fail fast, learn, and iterate. Number five, scale and implement. If your pilot projects are successful, plan for a full-scale implementation. This should involve a detailed plan, including the required investments, timelines, and key performance indicators to measure the success of the AI implementation. And number six, monitor and iterate. After implementation, continuously monitor the performance of your AI systems. Use this information to make necessary adjustments and improvements. It's important to stay current with AI advancements and continually assess how new developments could benefit your business. Remember, AI is not a solution in and of itself, but a tool that, when used correctly, can drive significant improvements in efficiency, effectiveness, and innovation. Successful AI adoption requires strategic thinking, good leadership, and a willingness to experiment and learn. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Acceleration Economy's Leadership Minute.